Hello everybody, welcome back to as well. We have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply fix your Instagram page isn't available right now problem. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead, step into our video. For the matter, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead, first access your Instagram app, and right here we are in the search section and going to the search bar, and you have to make sure that you currently remember the correct name of the page. Okay, so if we going to type in something, and if the page is correct name we can have the access to, we have the possibility of accessing the correct page, right? And if it does not, then we won't, obviously. And the other thing would be like if that page has been deleted by the creator itself. So for example, we are searching for a one, and let's say I have searched this but I'm not being able to find the one I have wanted, because if that page is simply deleted by the creator itself, then there is no way we can find that page over here, right? Other thing would be if the page is available, your friend have access to it, you're gonna go to your settings, and then you scroll down, apps, find your app over here, and if still not working properly, the only option you have would be simply going to storage and clear your cache first, and tap on this clear data as well. Clear all of your data, uninstall it, install it again, get logged in, and again try to search for that page. You will be able to find it. So this is the option for you. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.